Hello and welcome to another episode of Planty Phase. Okay, oh shit. Today I'm going to do a big repot. Big repot. Okay, there's the big, tremendous repot. Some say the best repot in the world. What I'm going to do is I'm going to repot this particular plant to be in its almost forever home. It's going to be in this pot for a very long time. I will not repot it for a very long time. The only thing I'm going to do is in the summer I will feed it liquid food. Now my soil mix today is about 60% pumice, the rest potting mix, and about 5% gravel, okay, just for some extra drainage. What I've got today is this pot, 3D printed pot. Looks like little eyeballs. Really nice looking thing. It sits on a tray like this, okay, like that. So it comes with a little plug, little butt plug. And I'm going to repot this Pelargonium cotyledonis. Is that how you say it? Pelargonium cotyledonis. First I'm going to remove the top dress as much as I can. This is a winter grower, so it's actually actively growing right now. So I'm going to repot it in its actual active growth phase. Okay, and here we go. All right. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first loosen it up. Okay. Now I don't think this is root bound yet, but I've had this for about a year and it's grown substantially and it's never actually gone dormant. So in the summer it's supposed to go dormant, but it hasn't gone dormant. It's an awesome plant, okay? It's got a cool structure, right? Naturally bonsai features. So I'm going to change it because, one, I know it's grown a bit, and two, the substrate that I had for it was very sandy, as you can see. And I don't like it. I don't like it. Very sandy, very brittle, okay? So I don't like that. I'm going to get rid of that substrate. Also, the issue I have with the substrate that I used is that it didn't have any fertilizer, slow release fertilizer, and I always want to have slow release fertilizer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start again, okay, this time with Osmocote, and like I said, this is going to be its forever home for a long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have two ready to scoop in, okay? So oh, no. Two. There. Okay. There. Okay. I'm going to angle it up as well so it's more of a tree. There we go. Usually people lift this up for a cowdex. I'm not even going to do that. I don't want to do that. Not till much later or ever. I want it to grow as well as possible before I even do any of that crap. There. Okay. There we go. I don't want to compress it too much, but at the same time, it will naturally compress over time. But just on the side, so I can put nice top dressing on it and not overflow. Okay. I'm going to have a brush. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Then we're going to top dress the shit out of that. Make sure that the trunk is not choked with top dress. Don't want that. There we go. There we go. That looks like a very, very good looking pot, ready to see its life for the next several years without fucking about. Beautiful.